Hello dear friend, in today's tutorial we will learn about curve editors, keyframing editors which has been added in the edit page of DaVinci Resolve 20 new update dear friend. If you use DaVinci Resolve free version, it's a good news for you. This curve editor, keyframing editor is a game changing in the edit page. No, it's available. Before that we have to go to Fusion page etc for keyframing or for curve editor, but now we can access directly in our edit page. It's a good news that we can edit this keyframe etc in curve editor here in edit page. In today's tutorial we will see all the basic settings of this curve editors, keyframing editors in edit page, how to use it. We will practically apply this to our clips. All parts are very important. Don't miss any part dear friend. Without missing any part, if you see this video till the end, you don't need to see any other video on YouTube for curve editors, keyframing editor, and this tutorial will help you a lot dear friend, I promise you. And download the DaVinci Resolve 20 free version. There are lots of new features. I have already tutorial. Go to the playlist and see all these new features which are totally free in DaVinci Resolve 20 version and use. You can't find in any video editing software totally free these totally free features. If you go to Premiere Pro, Avid Media Composer or CapCut etc, everywhere you have to pay for monthly subscription, but in DaVinci Resolve these features are totally free. If you have a good computer, go for DaVinci Resolve. I will put the link in our description box, and from there you can download and learn DaVinci Resolve on our YouTube channel dear friend. There are lots of playlists, go and see. But in today's tutorial we will learn this curve editor, how to use this in edit page. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. Without wasting time, let's jump into our computer inside DaVinci Resolve 20 here. One good new feature is a keyframe editor just in edit page. Now you can see here we have this here sound library. Here you come to keyframe, just click here, and now we have actually keyframe features here. We have this YouTube thumbnails, okay, and we come here, you can see here this is actually the parameters. All click here, display parameter with keyframe. Now it will show the parameters with keyframe etc, and click here. Here you display all parameters here, display selected parameters. So you see display parameters with keyframe. We just click here, okay, and now we start keyframing here. Just we click here, we want this zoom, okay, zoom, just click okay. When our frame will be here, you see we have only zoom parameters available here, and we will just make it like a small something, you see here, and when our frame will be here, you see here, and we will make it bigger. We have activated keyframing here. You can see here red diamond, okay, and when our video will be here, you see now we make it bigger like something, you see something like this. And when our frame will be here, you see at the end here, we make it even bigger like this, okay. Now we play here and we just click. You see I have a file here, I have a video here, and I will just click here. This is a video for our tutorial purpose, so we just click. You see we have activated keyframing. See now we are inside our timeline. Now we can adjust keyframing. So we have here keyframing, here we have keyframing here. When you click here in the corner here, you can see here in the corner, you see now we have this is actually parameter, and when you click here, this is a curve. Here you can make it more precisable. You just come here, click here, our curve will be here. You see in this way, just drag your header here, you see here. So we have added keyframe here, and when we click here, you can see here this is our parameters, and we can directly click here curve. Now we have curve editor. Now we just click alt on our keyboard, and we can add again any keyframing here. Just I press alt and I drag here. Here we have keyframing. Hello dear friend, if this video is helpful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me lots of motivations to make more creative tutorials tutorial for you, dear friends. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing due to the algorithm of YouTube, dear friend. But you can make it possible just by liking, subscribing, writing a comment. You can write a comment which type of tutorial about DaVinci Resolve 20 you want, dear friend. You can share this channel and this DaVinci Resolve 20 tutorial to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial may help them a lot. You can spread this video to the wider audience on YouTube, dear friend, and only you can make it possible. Favor me, dear friend, subscribe the channels, and after adding this curve, you again press Alt on your keyboard and just press the point. Now we have two handle to control this keyframing, and we take this and we can drag here like this. You see, and we play, and you can see the effect now. So here I have a video here. You see here. Click here. It's a good no, and just click here. Alt. Again we have appear here two handles, and we can directly control. If you control Alt again and press this handle, you can control two side directly. You see, we are controlling two side with this handle. You see here two sides. When you press shift, you can control one side. For example, I just changing this side. Shift, you see, shift, and you can change this side curve. You see, I am changing only this side. You can make changes to your keyframing. You see, one side only. And in the same way, clicks just Alt here, and we have handles and shift, and we will change this side only. Shift, and you see here, so you see I am changing this side only. One side you can change, one side. So with this one side and second the same way, shift, and it will be one side you can change here. Okay, and Alt, and you can make changes to these two sides. Okay, and now I click here Alt, make some refine. You see I am refining. Now I click shift and I am refining one side. Okay, here you see the same way I am click shift and I am refining this side. Now we play here, and we just click. You see I have a file here, I have a video here, and I will just click here. So this keyframing parameter is a very good in details we have gone through, and if you want a separate window, you just click here. You see this point, and just we have separate keyframing windows here, and from here we have option. You see here we can show handles. It will show handle directly from here and make smoother. You see there are options here for linear, it will be linear, and this option you see is in, is out, you can add. And you see here this point is in, is out, directly you can add from here. And here you see we have options for this. This is the pointer mode, you can add point here. And this you see this we have some mode here. This is a hand mode. If you see we have hand mode, no, we use this point mode always. It's a good for me. Okay, and here you click here in the same way, display time ruler in second, display okay, these are the points. Try one by one, you will understand. So curve tools, we need this display time ruler in frames. If you want to display rulers, here you see we have rulers in here in display. So this actually we have details tutorial about how we can use a keyframe editor inside DaVinci Resolve in edit page here. This is actually the good features. Try, dear friend. In the same way, you can see here we have this same keyframe parameters here we have. And when you click here, it will show you here again the keyframing. Write me in the comment box how you apply these new features to your clips. Which features you like most, which features you think good for DaVinci Resolve, which type of features you want to get the inside DaVinci Resolve added, dear friends. You can write in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So we meet in the next class with new tutorials about DaVinci Resolve. Take care, bye.